If you're looking for a reliable way to build your retirement fund, using gold might just be the solution you need. With the economy changing and uncertainties looming, more and more people are turning to gold IRAs to protect their wealth and build a secure future. Today, we're going to dive into how you can use gold to build your retirement fund and why it's such a powerful tool, especially for American retirees like you. Now, you might be thinking, why gold? Well, in times of economic uncertainty, gold has stood the test of time as a safe haven asset. While traditional investment vehicles like stocks and bonds can fluctuate wildly, gold tends to hold its value and even appreciate over time, especially when the market is volatile. That's why more retirees are moving their savings into gold IRAs. They want to protect what they've worked so hard to build. If you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, I highly recommend clicking the first link in the description to grab your free gold IRA guide. Thousands of Americans are using this strategy, and it can help you secure your retirement savings too. So, what exactly is a gold IRA? A gold IRA is a self-directed individual retirement account where you can hold physical gold, silver, and other precious metals as part of your retirement portfolio. This offers a way to diversify and hedge against inflation or market downturns, unlike a standard IRA that might only contain stocks, bonds, or mutual funds. One of the main reasons American retirees are flocking to gold IRAs is the growing concern over inflation. If you've been watching the news lately, you'll know inflation is on the rise, and traditional investments aren't always enough to protect against it. In fact, while inflation eats away at the value of your cash, gold tends to rise in value, making it an excellent shield for your wealth. But let's not just talk theory. Let's look at how gold can actually help build your retirement fund. First, gold's long-term growth potential is key. Unlike paper assets that can crash in a market correction, gold has a history of holding its value and appreciating over time. It's a tangible asset, meaning you own it outright. And of course, gold IRAs offer you a tax-advantaged way to store your gold. Just like other IRAs, the gains you make within a gold IRA are tax-deferred, and if you choose a Roth Gold IRA, you could even make tax-free withdrawals in retirement. These benefits alone make it a compelling option for any retiree looking to safeguard their financial future. Now, many people are hesitant because they've heard of some downsides to traditional gold investments, like high storage fees or difficulty accessing the gold. But with a gold IRA, you can avoid these issues. The gold is safely stored by a trusted custodian, and the account is managed for you, just like your regular IRA. Plus, unlike buying gold outright, you don't have to worry about finding a secure place to store it or dealing with high fees to hold it. If you're still not convinced, let's compare gold IRAs to some other retirement options. Stock market investments might seem appealing because of their potential for high returns, but they're also highly volatile. Bonds are another option, but their returns have been historically low, especially in the current environment. Meanwhile, a gold IRA gives you the best of both worlds: safety and growth potential. It's the ultimate tool to secure your wealth when other options may not offer the same protection. Before we wrap up, remember, if you're serious about protecting your wealth and diversifying your retirement portfolio, click the first link in the description to get your free gold IRA guide. It's perfect for American retirees with 100K or more in their IRA or 401K, or even those with 5 ML plus in savings. The guide will show you exactly how you can get started with a gold IRA and why it's such a smart move for your retirement. Now that you know how gold can help you build a stronger, more secure retirement fund, it's time to take action. Don't wait until it's too late. If you want to protect your wealth and grow your savings for the future, a gold IRA could be the key to your financial security. Click that link in the description now to get started.